Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy seafood chowder. First, render 4 slices of bacon in a large pot until crispy, then remove the bacon and sauté 1 cup of diced onion and 2 stalks of celery in the bacon fat until softened. Next, add 3 cups of diced Yukon Gold potatoes and 4 cups of quality seafood stock, bringing it to a simmer until the potatoes are tender. Finally, whisk in a roux made from 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of flour to begin thickening the base. Once your base is thickened and potatoes are tender, it's time for the stars of the show. Add 1 pound of firm white fish, like cod or haddock, cut into 1-inch pieces, along with 1/2 pound of raw shrimp and 1/2 pound of bay scallops. Simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the seafood is opaque and cooked through. Then, reduce the heat and stir in 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk, ensuring not to boil after adding the dairy. Now for the final touches that elevate your chowder. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning can also add a wonderful depth. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving. This brightens the entire dish. Serve hot, garnished with the reserved crispy bacon bits and a sprinkle of additional fresh parsley. There you have it, a truly delicious and creamy seafood chowder that's sure to impress. This hearty dish is perfect for a cozy evening and pairs beautifully with a warm, crusty baguette or a handful of oyster crackers. It's a comforting classic that's surprisingly simple to master. Remember, a great meal often starts with a clean kitchen. And speaking of clean, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.